Right?
Are you hustling them? No,
I got hustled.
Oh,
that was in? God, I can't believe it. Woo! Oh man, I need to wear some knee pads.
So it's still 5.
Oh, we gotta switch.
Right?
We gotta switch side, right? Oh, it wasn't. It's just possession, right?
Yeah, no, you didn't serve that.
Oh, I didn't serve it.
No.
Do we switch?
Wait, it's 5-7.
Oh, you served
5-7-1.
that?
No, we served that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, we gotta let it bounce. We gotta let it bounce. Here we go. Oh, her right hand is bad stand. Yo, we gotta switch that. Oh, yeah, okay.
It's the meme number 6.
Yeah, we understand how we can. All she has is the backhand.
We're catching up to him. We're catching up.
Good, 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 good.
6-7 meme number.
6-7-1.
Okay, we gotta let it bounce. Gotta let it bounce. And now, oh, we got too excited. Oh, I get to. Okay, 6-7-2. 6-7-2. We have to let it bounce. Oh man, the both of us. Gooey. Oh my God. Oh man, we gotta get super serious about this. This is real.
7-6-1.
Let it bounce. Nice. You got it.
No!
Oh, it's still in play, still in play, still in play, still in play, still in play. Oh, nice. Oh, that was a good rally.
Sorry, I ran into you on that play, dude.
Oh, yeah, I know. Well, I mean, it happens.
All right, y'all, you tried.
Collision.
8-6. 8-6-1.
All right. 8-6-2. Oh, so I gotta move back here.
8-6-2.
6-2.
You got it.
Yeah! Whoa! 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 Woo!
Wait, we don't switch, right?
Oh, we don't switch? 6-8-1. 6-8-1. 6-8-1.
You serve that.
You served that.
Yeah, you didn't get a point.
We didn't get a point, so we're still 6.
Exactly.
You
We
didn't
did not
switch.
switch.
Oh, good. Very good.
6-8-1.
Okay, 6-8-1.
Yep.
You gotta watch this.
Oh, nice.
Oh man! Oh! Oh man!
Was unnecessary.
Oh my goodness! That was so tricky.
8 for effort.
Wait, no, it's you. You're the second server.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, my bad.
Oh man, I need to wear some knee pads, man. This is serious stuff. And arm pad too. Oh, we gotta let it bounce. Gotta let it bounce. Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! 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 Whoa, man, that was beautiful.
Oh, you don't switch, right?
We don't. Wait, don't we switch? I feel like I stood here before.
Yeah, you stood here before. You only switch when you get a point, right?
We only switched when we get a point? We didn't get a point.
Yeah, you did.
Did we serve that?
No, she served that.
I served that.
No.
No, one of you guys served
Oh, we did? We just served
We
that?
just get a point?
Oh, we just got a point, yeah! 7-8-1, yeah!
We scored.
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Second server, first server.
2, fine, you're 2.
No, Kim, you serve. You're right.
So now,
Yeah, so Kim, if you served already, so you're 2.
oh, so,
No, no.
Pass the ball.
All right. Kim,
dude, we need a replay on this GoPro.
8-8, let's go.
Okay, hey, oh, yeah!
8-8?
Yeah, because we just scored that.
Score, yeah.
What was it? 7-8.
8-8.
Okay, fine.
Nice! Oh, that's a kill! How did she get a return like that? Oh man! Oh, why did the net get in my way? Whoa! Oh, that was a good rally. That was a very good rally.
Okay.
Oh.
8-8-1.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Ow! Oh.
Okay, 8-8-2. You guys are in trouble now.
Oh, gloves are off. Gloves are off. Kill! Oh no!
Nice.
I was trying not to hit you!
Nice
Go!
try, nice try.
Dude, I should just aim for your head next time.
982.
Okay, that's the second battle. Ooh. Oh. I think the strategy is sound. The execution was poor. That's 10.
Yeah, 10, 8, 2.
Yours. Oh, I got it.
Oh, nice. Aggressive. Oh, man. Oh,
You guys are improving.
they killed us there.
You see, I told you it was the sun.
So usually at the end of the game, you know, we
All right, good game.
Okay, a good game, good game. Best out of 3 is women's league.
all right.
Okay, we'll stay here. We switch every 3, every odd.
Oh, every odd? I don't know.
All right, well, all right, whatever.
Okay, yeah.
Read the advantage side.
Gotta get
With
the
this-
advantage.
All right.
Get that sunny side.
All right.
Sunny side up.
Start.
Yes, right.
All right, here we go.
Oh, so I'm 002. Oh, no? Oh, the first serve is not. I see.
So the first one it really starts at 002
Yeah, 002.
for the very first.
Okay.
001.
Okay, they gotta let it bounce. Yeah! 002 now. Okay. Yeah. Now you can be aggressive because we're on the receiving end. Aggressive. Super aggressive.
002.
Ow, she says. That's out. That is out. She scares me with her aggressiveness.
One. We're on the board.
Wind it up.
Good.
Yeah.
Wait, we just switched?
Yeah, we just got that point.
Oh, you got the point, so you switch.
Okay, do it.
No, I think this is all good. Yeah.
So
That's good.
We're good, we're good.
We're good.
102.
I don't remember what happened last
102.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna let it bounce. Out! Yeah!
Why didn't you get that?
All right.
Oh, also another rule, if you hit somebody on the other team, it's your point.
Yeah.
Dodgeball.
Aim straight flat on. Yeah. Squared. Oh, got called out.
011.
There you go. Nice. Okay, we gotta let this bounce. Gotta let it bounce. Gotta let it bounce. Oh. Oh, it was in. Nice. Oh man, that was devastating.
Good placement.
That was good. Good running. So now it's 012. 012. Gotta let. Oh man. Oh. Dude, they got the spin game going, man. I gotta learn to spin this ball.
I'm just trying to hit it, man.
I know. Okay, there goes the bounce, and I would be aggressive. He spun it! He spun it! He spun it all the way to there!
Next week.
Dude! Dude! That's not fair, man. He spins it.
I think we need more of these.
I think we need no use.
Too much spin. I can't take the spin. Yeah, 201.
01.
Oh!
What do you call it that, Kim?
I said, oh!
I was testing you.
Okay, all right.
202.
Oh!
No, it's out. It's out.
Was it?
It's out.
Okay.
Oh, your turn.
All right. 02?
02.
021.
021. Yeah! Oh!
spin.
See that spin? My God, that was super spin. Oh God, he spun me again.
A little too much
Dude,
spin.
man, we got. How do we play against a spin?
Well, when they're top spinning it, you know, whatever.
But I can't tell it's top. Wait, I gotta get my second. I gotta get in a second serve. I gotta get in the second serve here. 0-2-2.
What's the score, y'all?
0-2-2.
Okay.
0-2-2. Man, he's like spinning it.
There it is.
Ooh, rest. Oh, ah! I didn't aim for her. Duh. Man.
A little too excited there.
2-0-1. Serve.
Wait, it's 3-0-1.
That was on the line. Yeah, it was on the line.
On the line.
Okay, I don't know.
So Darren now.
Wait, on the line is in, right?
Okay, replay.
Yeah, I saw out.
3-0-2. All right.
It's not in, so.
You saw in, I saw out.
Replay.
Whatever.
Usually,
It was her. Replay.
On the line is in, right?
on the line in.
Oh, okay.
I saw off. Usually in pickleball, if you see two different things, you just replay.
Okay.
Okay.
2-0-1.
1. Okay, there's that bounce. He's gonna spin it. Whoa!
Dude, how do you get the spin on it?
How do you get the spin?
Like, these things aren't grippy.
I know. I think it's gotta be a YouTube session for us. I saw so much spin on that one. Yeah!
No!
Did he
that
spin
too
that?
much spin?
He
Was
spun
that
that.
spin?
He spun you. Yeah, he spun
I
you.
was trying to.
I know. I saw you trying to spec in the middle, but then the ball went the other way.
See that?
I see that.
How do you do that?
Oh man.
3-0-2.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that was like here.
Yeah. It was
Yeah. Oh, that was 2? Okay.
us?
Yeah, that was 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright,
Gotta be back here.
3-1. Alright, you ready for this perfect serve?
Perfect. Oh, that was beautiful. That was definitely in. Go for it. Yeah.
Alright,
Ow, that was
pretty
tough.
close, alright?
Dude, this was just like wacky. So now it's 0. Is it 0-2 or 0-3? 0?
I'm going too high. Man.
0-2-2? 0-3-2? 0-3-2. She's spinning. You see that spin? That was a nasty one. Oh man. Oh dude. Okay.